Data is everywhere, scattered across channels, outlets, and sources. This fragmentation is both costly and time-consuming for enterprises. Another challenge, turning that data into clarity and action instantly. Enterprises that struggle with data silos run the risk of being left behind and missing out on future opportunities. Introducing Oraion, an agentic AI platform that gives enterprises a single source of truth for their data. It connects the dots so you don't have to. With Oraion, access to critical business insights is no longer hidden behind complex programs or buried under layers of disconnected information. Our platform seamlessly integrates into your company's existing workflows, like Slack or Microsoft Teams, and unifies your scattered data into a single source of truth, giving you instant clarity and the ability to take action. Want to know where your business could be making more revenue, or which customers might be at risk of churning? Oraion gathers data from multiple sources and gives you accurate and actionable steps to take. Need to forecast future risks or set an alert? Our proprietary calculation systems provide clear, data-backed recommendations for your specific enterprise and industry. No faulty or hallucinating LLMs here. Cloud costs can spiral out of control without the right insights. Oraion helps to optimize cloud storage on platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. It identifies inefficiencies, predicts cost trends, and provides actionable recommendations to reduce waste, ensuring you only pay for what you need. Understanding your customers has never been easier. Oraion analyzes customer support tickets, feedback, and can even monitor your company's reputation on social media, providing up-to-date sentiment analysis at any given moment. Identify emerging trends, detect customer pain points, and proactively improve customer experience, all from the Oraion platform. Unlike traditional analytics tools which focus on static reports, Oraion goes beyond. It acts as an interactive AI agent that you can chat with in natural language. It's proactive and it shares insights with you instantly, even recommending future steps to take, all without any need for complex queries or manual report building. No more delays, no more operational overhead, just instant decision-making power. Keep your enterprise equipped with clarity, speed, and confidence for the future. Welcome to better decision-making. Welcome to Oraion.